The difference between a video with 30 views and that of 100k views is whether people are clicking on your thumbnails or not. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create thumbnails that people actually click on using AI. Before you even open any AI model to create any thumbnail, first you have to go to YouTube because that is where you want to use the thumbnail. Search whatever your video is about. Let's say your video is about CapCut editing tutorial. Take that to the search bar and look through the results to see what concept of thumbnail is currently working for that topic. Now you might feel the urge to skip this part because you're already thinking you know what works. But remember that trends constantly change, and what worked for someone 6 months ago might not work this week. Going through the top results, take note that you're looking for a video that is overperforming the channel size. For example, a recent video of a video with a thumbnail that is pulling way more views than its usual numbers is an example of a correct pattern that works. So screenshot the one closest to your video's concept and move on to the next part. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome on board. I upload videos that helps you create content better, get the best out of AI tools, and basically grow online. So you're feeding it two things at once, your picture reference and your actual content. If your face needs to be in it, and for a lot of niches, your face should really be in it because your face converts better than objects almost every time, you drop your own photo into the mix. Some tools let you upload a picture of yourself directly and it will blend the expression into the new design, while others, you might need to generate the background and text first and thereafter place the same photo. The same logic applies if your theme is completely different from the reference. Let's say you pulled up a finance thumbnail and you're making a cooking video. You're not copying the subject in that case, this time you're copying the structure. You just have to swap it with your own background and your colors if necessary. You also need to change the text on the image to say exactly what you want to say depending on your video context. Make it as short as possible, let's say 2 to 4 words, and make sure those words are easy to read even from a thumbnail size on your smartphone. However, even after finding the perfect reference point for your video thumbnail, try generating several variations of it before deciding on the final version. Take screenshots from different videos, apply the technique we've discussed previously, and now you have a couple of different variations to choose from, rather than going with the first option provided by the AI. If you don't want to go through the stress of searching on YouTube for thumbnails that is already working for other people, you can just go ahead and go in with your prompt directly on the AI models. But remember that AI models work better when they have visual reference of what you are trying to explain to them. Getting a reference from YouTube does not mean you have to do this every single time. Once you've gotten a couple of thumbnails that have proven to work for your particular niche or your brand on YouTube, rinse and repeat for subsequent videos. This will help your workflow to be faster. You get highly clicked thumbnails because this time your audience already knows how your thumbnails look like. It will also reduce the time you spend on trying to perfect your thumbnails because the AI model is just trying to understand you from your text only. And this has a lot to do with whether or not you can prompt very well. Talking about prompting, there's an ongoing one-on-one coaching call that helps you to get your prompting skills from being a beginner to an advanced level. You can click the link on the description to get you straight to book a call for yourself. If you are benefiting from this video, hit the subscribe button so that you get to see more of these videos. I also want to know what your results are after you try this method. Another proven way a lot of people get new viewers on their videos every single time on YouTube is through shorts. Most times they just get key moments of their videos and convert it to shorts, thereby linking people to the original video on their channel. Now if you're wondering if there is a faster way to do this also, I created a video where I tried out a free AI tool that converts long videos to shorts. You can go check it out.